So now let's see how we can work around with layout grid block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with the layout grid block, you can simply go around over here and let's say for example, hover around over here in between two blocks and click on the plus button right here just like this. So now what you can simply do is, let's say for example, type in layout grid right here just like this, and then you got the layout grid that pops up right here just like this. So here you can see that it says here select a layout to start with. So I'm just going to go around, select 3 columns, let's say for example, then you got the 3-column layout right here. You can go ahead and click on the plus button and then let's say for example choose button right here, and I have the sample button right here. Click and you can go ahead and add in other types of blocks right here in the layout grid block right here. Let's say for example, I'm just going to type in a sample text right here. Click on the plus button and you can add in more blocks to it as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and then as I click on it, you can change it to 1 column or 2 column or 3 column, as you can see right here. Let me just press Ctrl Z a few times because the content is actually deleted. So if I were to go for 4 columns, then this is what you have. You can also go around onto tablet mode and mobile mode right here just like this and see how this actually looks in different views right here. So you can go ahead and work around with the column offset right here just like this as well. So you can go ahead right here, let's say for example select this out right here and change around with the offset. As you can see, you can change around the span and so forth right here, and for each of the columns you have those options as well. So you can see that these are the spans right here, and you can go ahead and change this around. Then you can see the changes right there as long as it is valid. So in the button you can see the change right there. So that is what you have, and you can also change around the gutter size into different sizes right here as you want and so forth right here. And this is how you can go ahead, work around with the alignment, work around with the full width option right here, and then work around with the desktop, mobile, and tablet view right here, just like this as well. So you can also go ahead and change around the alignment, as you can see right here, and work around with it according to how you want. So that is how you can work ahead with the layout grid block inside of wordpress.com. So if you guys learned something, as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.